Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to insert a movie in the presentation, and this is the last feature. We have covered how to insert the smart art graphic, graph, table, and these are the pictures. So this is the movie. Click here. If you have saved your movie on your desktop or your documents or in a USB, so you have to find out from here from a file. If you are taking some movie from the YouTube or from a code embedded, so then you have to choose these options. So I'm going first from a file, and this one is a movie. So your movie here, and this is the play. So I will show you.
On behalf of the
Okay, so when your movie is there, there are some important features. These are the video style, how you want to show your movie. These are the styles, so you have to pick your style according to your presentation. I will make very simple this one. And these are the video border, which color you want. I say suppose red. Video shape, these are also the shapes are available here. Suppose I want to show my movie in a heart shape, so this is the heart shape, so you can play with this different shape as well, right? And then go to the playback. This is one of the most important features of the movie. This is the play full screen. Full screen means when I will show this movie on the slideshow, it will cover the full screen. And then this is the trimming, right? If suppose you do not want a portion from the beginning, if you do not want a portion of the movie from the end, so you can just set according to your choice. So this is the timings, and then okay, right? And when we will finish our complete presentation, I will show you on the slideshow. I hope you have enjoyed this video. In this video you have learned how to insert a movie in your presentation, and thanks for watching it.